Luto po tayo ng spicy stir-fry pork. Ingredients: ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, tapos i-mix natin guys. Counting oil lang. Onion and garlic. Igisa na siya guys, bali half kilo lang po yung nabili ko. Yan. Gisahin natin hanggang mga half sili para maging spicy. Takpan hanggang maglambot yung karne. And guys, medyo malambot na yung oyster sauce. Soy sauce from Japan. Kaunti lang ng Ajinomoto. Yeah. Bell pepper. Tablespoon of sugar. Ito na po ang ating spicy stir-fry pork with bell peppers.